Hey guys, and welcome back to G's Autos. Thank you so much for tuning in. A bit croaky today. I've been battling a nasty head cold this week, so I'm a little bit worse for wear, but slowly getting back up to speed. Today I thought I'd give the engine bay of the Fairmont a really good clean. It hasn't had one in a very long time, as you've probably noticed from the previous videos. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to hit it with a bit of a dry brush, and then I'll vacuum up all the dust and dirt from that, and then I'll start doing a wet wash, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's hope we get some really good results out of this. Well, we may as well kick on. Alright, I've just sprayed everything down with some dishwashing liquid and water in just a garden pressure pack, and just giving everything a bit of a coating. Look, it's a fairly hot day, so things are going to dry up fairly quick, so I will have to do a couple of doses on this, and I'm just going to start agitating it all with a couple of different brushes, loosen it up, and then hose it all down. Okay guys, here's a progress shot of the engine bay. So I've just been hitting it with the soapy water and hand washing as much gunk off as possible. As you can see, it's not perfect, but we are still moving forward. So I just thought I'd give you an update. Not too bad. Look, it's very hard to get into some of these places. I just want it overall, I just want it looking better than what it was. But I may have to stop in a minute. Hopefully not, because there is a storm floating around, so I'll give you a look at that now. Alright guys, this is where we're up to. It feels a little bit chaotic. The storm has come and gone. It did put a slight delay in the proceedings, but this is where we're up to. So I've just been going over it with some soapy water in a bucket as well, and wiping it down with a cloth, and also I've hit it with degreaser a couple of times, and then just hit it with a brush, and then a wipe down with a cloth, and I've just been going over it and over it. So this is how it's looking at the moment. So I've also taken some other bits inside and given them a clean. Engine cover, and just those two air ducts. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give it another rinse over with some soapy water. Just give it another quick clean, and then what I'll do is I'll dry it down, and I'll hit it with all these plastic bits. I'm going to put some we'll just call it shiny stuff on there, just to bring them up and make them look a lot better. Alright guys, let's do that. Alright, job done. All the shiny stuff's on. It's come up pretty good. Obviously there's a few areas in tight spots that I just didn't bother getting into, but overall it looks very good. Just wanted to give it a complete makeover basically. So I'll just bring you down here. Now I've just got to chuck the engine cover on, and then it will be done. That's also had a scrub and a good wash down. Everything came up pretty good. It's raining now, so I better get this finished. Alright guys, this is how we finished up. It's now starting to rain, it's getting a bit too heavy now. I haven't quite finished bolting up the engine cover. I'll worry about that tomorrow. But overall, that's how we finished up. I'm hoping it looks a lot better than how it started. So yeah, so guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you think I have done a crapola job, by all means, leave a thumbs down. Alright guys, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one.